How to delete all emails from one sender in Gmail. So doing this is very simple to do. So what you want to do is go ahead and pick an email that you want to get rid of. So I'm just going to choose this email from vidIQ. What I like to do is just copy and paste the actual email address. So I'm just going to highlight this and copy it. And then I'm going to actually paste it in the search mail bar up here. Go ahead and hit enter. And that's going to bring up all of the emails from that specific email address, which is what we want. So to go ahead and delete them, what you want to do is go ahead and hit this box up here. It says select, and then it has a drop down menu of certain options, but we just want to select all the emails. So unfortunately, this is only going to select the 50 emails on this current page that the email can hold. So to change this, what you want to do is come over here to the right side of your screen, and where it says most relevant, you want to actually hit the drop down menu and go ahead and hit most recent. And then go ahead and hit select once again. And then as you see here, it says all 50 conversations on this page are selected. You can go ahead and select all conversations that match this search. So we're going to go ahead and click that. And from this point forward, not just the 50 emails on the page, but all of the emails from this email address in your inbox are now selected. So from this point forward, you can go ahead to the trash can here, go ahead and hit delete. And as you say, as it asks you to confirm the action, go ahead and click OK. And from this point forward, it has been deleted. As you see, it took absolutely no time to do. And now all those emails from that email address are now gone from your inbox. And that's it.